Hi, this is one of the many videos that we have in our how-to series. This particular video is how to use the Enter Histories area. So as you've seen in other videos, it doesn't matter whether you're in the point of sale screen or the appointment book. You can see on our menus on the right hand side, all our buttons are there to be easily accessible. So whether you go into Enter Histories from the appointment screen or if you go Enter Histories from the point of sale, it'll take you to the same area. Note there is a bit of an upgrade from the old ShopMaster version that you now no longer have to wait until after the sale to enter in the client history. You can do that pre-sale. It compiles the list for you straight away. So very similar to the old version, to enter in a client's history note, just select the client, go inside the text box and type whatever the notes need to be. Once you're done, press save. If you wanted to grab a previous history note from a client, press the save notes, press the select note client. Sorry, but that was a bit of a tongue twister. Select it, press close, and it'll pop it straight in. Press save. You can also add a consultant via the consultant button. You can change operators via pressing either one of these two buttons or here. You can also delete the note. Press save and it'll delete it. You have filters. You can filter via staff member or via client. You can print out the list, the daily list, stick it in the back room. You can also do a select period and it'll show you what the actual periods are. The only thing you just need to note is that if you are, the Enter History area will only display services that have been sold if the date is other than today. So as you'll see, if you've got, it'll be blank. If there's sales, services that require history will be in there. And that's basically it. Any questions, please give us a call on 1300 780 619.